Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Spotify something went wrong. Try again later, your login error. If you're using Spotify and you're seeing this type of login error that whenever you try to log in with your account, you see an error that is something went wrong. Please try again later. So let's see some possible fixes about that. So the very first thing you just have to go back from here and you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here, open your settings app here, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that, then go back and here you have to go to App Store or Play Store. Here go for search and you have to simply search for Spotify, and you have to make sure that you have an pending update for your Spotify app because pending updates might have these type errors. If you find pending updates, just try to update your Spotify app. Once you have updated your app, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a forced restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches of your iPhone or of your Android phone. Just try to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, you have to simply open your settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for Spotify app here, and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete or uninstall your app completely. So I'm gonna offload my app here. Just tap on offload my app, or you can also try to delete the app. Just delete, and once you have deleted, just go back, open your app store or Play Store, go for search here again, search for Spotify, and you just have to try to reinstall your Spotify app. So if there will be any bug or any malware into your Spotify app, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.